This 2017 Grand Design Momentum M Class 349M is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Bonne Terre, Missouri, 63628 and is offered for sale by Optimum RV, Bonne Terre. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used grand design and features sleeps 8, Slideout, and 117 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, outdoor entertainment, 2 entry, exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.